Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rahmi Sukmawati, NPM 10-12-10-19 from class B 2021, which is not only made up of words. Numbers are also important to communicating our thoughts. So today we talk about some common English expressions that use numbers. Let's start with zero and the expression to zero in. Zero in means direction all of your attention on something or someone. We often say what that something is. For example, the defense lawyers were able to zero in on the testimony of an important witness and find problem with it. Here is another example. I know a woman who can zero in on any relationship problem and find a solution. The expression can also mean to take aim directly at something. For example, when taking a picture, a photographer might zero in on a subject, and it is the job of a quarterback in an American football game to zero in on a receiver, the playing catching the ball. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.